Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why we can't seem to put our phones down? Whether we're in line at the store, in between sets at the gym, or even at a concert, our phones have become an extension of ourselves. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself why? When Steve Jobs introduced the iPhone back in 2007, it was revolutionary. But back then, its uses were pretty limited: texting, calling, maybe playing a simple game. Fast forward over 6,000 days, and now we're glued to our screens, mindlessly scrolling through split screen TikToks. So, what happened? And more importantly, what does the future of content addiction look like? Human curiosity is a double edged sword. It drives us to learn and create, but it also makes us susceptible to addiction. We're constantly checking our apps, afraid we'll miss out on something. Even if we don't enjoy using them, we can't stop. And that's no accident. Big social media companies are designed to keep us hooked. They understand how our minds work and exploit that knowledge. Think about how often you grab your phone without even thinking about it. These habits are engineered. Apps are like slot machines. You pull down to refresh and get a hit of dopamine. Dopamine is often misunderstood. It's not just a feel-good chemical. It's released when we're hunting or pursuing something. Social media turns our daily lives into one big hunt for funny videos, interesting posts, and more. This constant pursuit is what makes it so addictive. So what does this mean for our future? We could be heading towards a dystopia. Think back to before the iPhone. Simple pleasures like walking in the park or spending time with family gave us enough dopamine. Now, our tolerance has increased, and those same activities don't feel as rewarding. Our baselines have shifted, and without technology, life feels unbearable for many. We're only 16 years into the iPhone era. Imagine another 50 years. It's a dark path, but there's hope. We've seen a rise in genuine content like podcasts and simple, honest conversations. Humans crave real social connection. Social media initially connected us, but now it offers a false sense of connection. People are starting to realize this and are stepping back. So, what's the solution? It's simple: take a step back. Evaluate what you value more: endless content or a better future for our children. Think about it. What do you value more? Keeping those apps on your phone or a better future for the next generation? Let's make a conscious choice today. Now, let's talk about how this relates to making money. With the rise of genuine content and the shift towards meaningful interactions, there's a huge opportunity to create and monetize content that truly resonates with people. Here are a few ways you can leverage this trend. 1. Create authentic content. Start a podcast, YouTube channel, or blog that focuses on real conversations and valuable insights. Build a loyal audience by providing content that addresses real issues and interests. 2. Engage with your audience. Use social media to genuinely connect with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. 3. Monetize through sponsorships. As your audience grows, you can attract sponsorships from brands that align with your message. Authentic content creators often find that sponsors are willing to pay more for genuine engagement. 4. Offer premium content. Create exclusive content or membership programs for your most dedicated followers. This could be in the form of additional podcast episodes, behind-the-scenes videos, or special live Q&A sessions. 5. Leverage affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services that you truly believe in and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. By focusing on authentic, valuable content, you not only contribute to a healthier digital environment, but also tap into a profitable niche. It's a win-win situation. Remember, the key to success in this digital age is to stay true to your values and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.